Before construction, please ensure that the construction surface is clean, flat and dry.
If there is water leaking or bubbling, apply a layer of primer evenly and wait for it to dry completely. Pour magnetic receptive putty powder into a clean container. Add a small amount of water. Stir thoroughly until getting the suitable consistency of magnetic putty. Let it stand for 8 to 10 minutes. Allow the powder to fully swell. Thoroughly stir it once again. Apply some magnetic putty and scrape it onto the wall. Make sure that the magnetic putty is evenly applied to the wall surface. 1 kilogram is approximately enough for one thin coat of 1 square meter. After the first coat has naturally dried completely, make the second coat. Make sure the thickness of wall putty is sufficient. Surface is smooth and flat. After magnetic receptive putty has naturally dried, conduct the magnetic force test. Just use a magnetic nail to fix at least 5 pages of copied paper on the wall. If need a stronger magnetic force, you can apply the third coat. After magnetic putty has completely dried, use sandpaper or a grinding machine to polish the surface. And then clean off the surface dust. Then apply 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of top coat of your lovely color. Then the color of magnetic putty will be properly covered up. After the magnetic wall is completed, you can apply on magnetic whiteboard, magnetic posters and various decorative magnets freely.